Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
The fill-in mail merge rule in Word is very much like the ask rule. However, it only prompts you for text that appears once per mail merge result. Therefore, you won't need to create bookmarks and insert fields. Also, like the ask rule, the fill-in rule asks for a value for each record unless you check the Ask Once checkbox. To use the fill-in mail merge rule in Word, click to place your insertion mark cursor where you want that value to appear. Then click the Mailings tab in the ribbon. Then click the Rules drop-down in the Write and Insert Fields button group and select the Fill-in command from the Buttons drop-down menu to open the Insert Word Field Fill-in dialog box. In this dialog box, enter the text to show when you are prompted to enter this information for each mail merge result into the prompt field. If desired to have default text appear within the field prompt result as a placeholder, enter it into the default fill-in text field. If desired to only prompt for the value once and then use this same value for all the mail merge results, check the Ask Once checkbox. Then click the OK button to insert the field into the mail merge document. Then click OK again in the prompt dialog box. If you did not check the Ask Once checkbox, then when you later select the Edit Individual Documents option to finish the mail merge, Word prompts you to enter a value for the fill-in field once for each record in the recipient list that you are merging using the prompting text that you entered. Type your response for each record in order to then see that text appear at the field location within the mail merge results. Alternatively, if you checked the Ask Once checkbox, Word prompts you for the value before running the mail merge and then uses that same value for all records merged.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.